Has hell frozen over? Quite possibly, because we're in New Orleans right now. I'm standing on the neutral ground on Canal where the streetcar line is. 8 inches of snow is what some forecasts have been calling for. The last time it snowed up to 8 inches was 130 years ago in 1895. Y'all, this this doesn't happen here. So let's see where the snow level is now. So it looks like it's only about an inch and a half of snow right now, but it feels like so much more. And I can't believe that I'm standing on Canal Street right now. Wait, it actually might be deeper over here. Let's see. Yeah, here it's almost 3 inches. So if we have 3 inches already, that means we've broken our record since 1962, I think. In the 60s was the last time we had a snow event like this, and it was 2.6 inches, I believe. So as of now, we're breaking records from the 60s. It's supposed to snow for about 5 more hours. We'll see what other records we break.